G'day everyone, my name's Lucas, Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
the hot dog costume from Wobbly Life.
the hot dog costume from Wobbly Life. All right, let's do it.
Woo.
All right, so we're gonna draw a line that goes straight like that at sort of the top of the page here. Cool, awesome. And then we'll come down to about there and draw a line parallel like that. So you should have two lines like that. Yep, good job. Now what we're going to do with these lines is we're going to curve in the edges here. So you're going to go curve one there. Good work, Phoenix. And then we're going to curve one there. Okay, so that's going to form the base of the head. Now, with Wobbly Life characters, they have two distinct black eyes either side. So one eye will go here. Yep, and then another side, another one there. Okay, and then we're gonna color those in black. Sorry, forgot to mention that. No highlights today. Okay.
Already looks like a wobbly.
Yeah, that looks like a wobbly. Now, first off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the sausage or the hot dog at the top. So you wanna go up, around, and down like that. And it kind of looks like we're looking at a duck from above. Quack, quack.
Quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack.
All right, now let's finish off the rest of the hot dog at the bottom here. So you want to go down, probably is that's enough like that, and then up, and then in. And you know what? That kind of looks like a futuristic watch. Oh, I got two dots past the dot. What do you think? Good? Cool. Okay, we're gonna do the sides of the hot dog costume. So the buns, the hot dog buns. So you're gonna go start up around here at the top of the hot dog. You're gonna come down and then curve it back in to the bottom there. Beautiful. Good job. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So you wanna mark, well, you don't really mark it, imaginary line. Go around, curve all the way down and curve in. There we go. The next thing we are gonna do is we're gonna draw the lines of the costume. So in Wobbly Life, the costume's got certain lines where the costume connects in, because when you go and to the wardrobe, you can get the head, you get the middle bit, and you get the bottom bit. Okay, so we're gonna draw a line that goes just under the face. So we're gonna start here on the hot dog bun, go over the hot dog, and then go over to the other side of the hot dog bun, like so. Cool. And then we're going to come down here and draw another line from the hot dog bun into the hot dog, into the hot dog bun, like that. Beautiful. Cool. Now, next what we'll do is we're going to do the arms of the Wobbly Life character. So the arms of the Wobbly Life character is quite low. So we'll go here, down like that on an angle. And we'll come down to here on that angle. Yep, cool. And then you just want to curve it around like so, like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just mark it like that so you know. And we'll go down. Yep. And then we'll go down again like that. And then we'll curve it around like so. So that's the arms. And we're going to do the two legs of the Wobbly Life character, really simple. So we're going to go one line down there. And then one line down here.
I'll mostly do mine maybe here.
Yeah, wherever you need to do it. Yep, cool. And then we just want to do like a kind of a curve at the bottom for that. And the same thing on here. So a line there for the other leg, and then partly in the hot dog bun come down, and then draw it in like that. Yep, and that's it. Cool. Now, the next thing we've got to do is this hot dog on the costume has mustard going up here. So, and it's quite distinct because there's a little bit of mustard on this part and it stops, and then there's another little bit of mustard on that part, stops, and then there's another little bit of mustard on that part there, stops. So we're going to start at the top. So this is like, you can go squiggly with this as well, because you know when you pour sauce or mustard onto a hot dog, it's never perfect. So I'll show you in a minute what I mean. All right, so we're gonna go over this side and we're gonna go up, you just squiggle it around, Go around to there, come back around and treat this like a snake. Like so. So when this is finished, this is obviously going to be red and then this is going to be yellow for the mustard color. All right, how you going there, Phoenix?
Good.
Good, cool. All right, now we're going to do this part here. This is kind of, almost looks like an S, this one, in the Wobbly Life characters, but let's see how we go. Same sort of thing. Start up here, go around, curve in, and then around to there. And don't hit that line at the bottom. Go back up, go around. Like that. All right, so that's the first part of the Wobbly Life character's mustard costume part. Now what you want to do is you want to come around here and do the exact same thing, but curve in around like so, then up like that. So you can imagine if you were to put, how you going there? Awesome. So you imagine if you were to squirt your mustard on and you went up and around, like that. Cool. All right, guys, there we go. We're going to color in this Wobbly Life hot dog costume character. All right, let's do it. Woo! Okay, there we go, guys. We've just colored in the Wobbly Life costume character. What do you think, Phoenix?
Cool.
Very cool. You like how it turned out? This is exactly what it looks like in the video game, doesn't
Yes.
it? Yeah, that's cool. So you get them in parts, don't you?
Yeah.
Very, very cool. All right, well, my name is Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix, and today we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. All right, bye, guys.
Bye. Hot dog.
Well, that's cool. I like your hot dog, Phoenix. It's amazing.
Yes, mine too.
You like hot dogs?
Yeah.
So there we go, guys. We're going to color in.
Ooh.
All right, so all right,
All right, guys. Ooh.
Ooh, cool.